How to promote sports and games in the country. Games and sports are an extremely important part of society and instead play a valuable role in the overall development of a human being on a routine basis too. On the other hand, games and games will also be the portion of the normal routine of any individual as a type of interest, entertainment, or physical activity generally. Sports and games should have a fair share of everybody's life as a kind of physical activity to keep a wholesome lifestyle. These games promote the physical and psychological strength of individuals. Sports and matches should be encouraged at the very first level and should be inculcated in the lifespan of kids and people in their routine. Sports and games must be made the component of school schedule and students to allow them fully develop physically and emotionally and grow in a healthy way. As for your specialist field, games and sports could be promoted by the means of earning provisions of suitable access to comparative resources. Proper financial support and funds should be offered to professionals, sportsmen, and individuals involved in games and sports. The government and the teams working in the area must make provisions for proper instruction, platforms of operation for sportsmen, and also for playing the matches. Sportsmen and sports action ought to be appreciated, rewarded and awarded correctly by government, authorities, and people for morale boosting. At a fast developing state like India, there's a dire necessity to promote games and sports, which may have an amazing capacity to flourish and add to the nation's GDP. Compared to popular belief, such sports companies don't possess the much needed opportunity they deserve whilst to grow and develop into a full-time business enterprise. Even as we proceed into the older age, the Indian government has to be at the forefront to earn a wholesome setting for games and sports to flourish. A gigantic and potentially profitable industry deserves the exact distance and also the help of the government, just like every traditional industry. The sport plays a vital role in the life of a student, especially in the hectic life of the kids. In fact, from daily, for at least a little time, everyone else needs to be actively connected with sports and games. The overall game is very essential as it attracts physical and psychological well-being into these specific people who often unite the game. The majority of us know that every human being desires a healthier brain and a healthy human body to remain a healthy and comfier life. In a fast-growing market like India, there is a tremendous potential for the sports industry to develop and achieve the status of a business. Previously, the sports industry has been considered a loss-making venture, but with the boom of multi-sporting leagues and sporting events, that's soon to change. India today hosts the Indian Premier League, Cricket, Hockey India League, Indian Super League, Soccer, Guru Kabaddi League and Indian Badminton League, all of which have helped in the development of the sports industry. As the sporting situation in India is evolving, we are witnessing an ever-growing requirement for participation in sports entrepreneurship. This is the ideal moment to venture to the sports sector, where there is ample room to flourish. We, as a nation, must award sports a business standing, given the reality that, now, India is not only acknowledged through cricket but also through other sports like tennis, badminton, hockey, athletics and much more. Once sports is recognized as a business, it can generate a large number of job opportunities in the kind of the apparel and gear industry, sports medicine, sports tourism and other sport-related sectors. The sports industry is well on its own path to attain industry. The sports industry is well on its own path to attain industry standing. There has been a sudden requirement for industry-based sports instruction programs. This is a sign for the Indian authorities to take effective techniques to promote programs that appeal to industry-based sports instruction. Increase money and tax holidays for sports-based businesses. In this move will act as an impetus from the development of an industry that has a worldwide presence. India has wonderful potential for sports entrepreneurship as a result of the present huge market, but the absence of government initiatives have hindered the development of this possible sector. We will need to create sectors like cells for sports-specific businesses which will aid the development of the sports sector. Assistance for them from the sports sector. The Indian government must invest in technological improvements such as sports analytics to help out with coaching professional athletes. It must also offer wearables, detectors, and nutrition according to the requirement of the game and the sports person. Professional coaching which will raise the quality of advice given. There is also a need to bring in functionality apparel and equipment of worldwide standard for our athletes. Last, partnerships with technology companies and progressive governments will attract the very best talent in the sports arena. Provide land and invest in sports infrastructure through PPP model, public-private partnership. PPP model works best for building sports infrastructure. Additionally, long-term land rental will help to get adequate land to build these facilities. India, being the second most populated nation on the planet, has the ability to churn out athletes that can put us on the worldwide map concerning sports other than cricket. We have seen the rising stars in India placing on fabulous performances, but the facilities provided to such vibrant actors are far from great. A perfect blend of public and private ventures is a solution to the problems India faces when it comes to providing world-class sports infrastructure into its budding athletes. Thank you so much.